What's going on, Daytona fans? Welcome back to another Raw Files. It snowed a little bit yesterday, so I just wanted to talk quickly about snow removal. In Massachusetts, it is illegal to have snow on the roof. What that means is that you don't want, 5-10 inches of snow on the roof. You start driving and then it starts flying off. It could get people into accidents that are behind you. So we had about 5 inches yesterday, and I just wanted to show you with my tape measurer how much 5 inches is. So we're gonna put it right on Moss back here. That's 5 inches, guys. So imagine having 5 inches of that stuff and you start driving on the highway and most of it just comes right off and hits the person behind you. You could cause them to crash. You could even cause some fatal injuries to the person. So don't do that to other people. Clean your roof, because you could get stopped. You could even get a ticket if you don't do it. So it only takes a quick second. And you know what? It took me longer to clean the... It took me longer to make this video than to clean that snow off. So just do yourself a favor. Don't get pulled over. Don't give them a reason to give you a ticket. Anyway, that's it for this one. It's cold. I gotta get back inside. You guys have a great day. Peace.